Today we talk about how can you change your nickname on your CiCi app. We go to figure out the solution on know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do so you just go down here, you click here on profile down here, you just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile, it's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on edit profile, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here, you come here to nickname, and here can you here and can here change your nickname in this list here. When you're down, just go above save, click on it, and it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.